In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 3 core stability exercises that you should be doing daily. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, an athletic therapist, teaching you strategies and tools for living a healthier and happier life by staying injury and pain-free. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So these 3 exercises that I'm going to show you have quickly become the big 3 when it comes to core stability. So having an efficient core is really important because what it does is it stabilizes and braces our whole spine and supports us to reduce the risk of injury. The 3 exercises are curl up, side plank, and bird dog. We're gonna start with curl up. So the curl up, I want you to lie on your back and you're gonna have one leg extended. It doesn't matter which leg it is. And then you're gonna place your hands behind your back. And what I want you to do is just slightly lift your head off the floor. So this is not like a crunch. So we're not flexing the spine. This is a stability exercise in a curl up. So want you to have your hands behind your back, making sure that you're keeping a neutral spine. Slightly lift up, hold for 10 seconds. Really want you to focus on squeezing the abdomen. If you find that your neck is starting to get a bit sore in this position or it's too hard to maintain, what you can do is you can tuck your chin into your chest and then lift up. So this gives you a little bit more support. So I want you to do 6 sets of 10 seconds of holding. Once you're done this, then we'll go to the next exercise. Second exercise is our side plank. So I want you to lie down on your side and you're gonna have your elbow tucked in so it's just right underneath your shoulder. Then to start, we can do it from the knees. So you're gonna lift your hips up towards the ceiling, making sure that your body is in a straight line. And you're gonna hold for 10 seconds. If this is too easy, then we can extend the legs and do a full side plank. Have one foot in front of the other to create a bit more of a stable base and hold for 10 seconds. Then I want you to do 6 sets on each side, and then once you're done the 6 sets on this side, you can switch and do the other side. You'll feel this in your obliques, into the side of your hip, into your glute med area. So if you find that you have a bit of a weak glute, this is actually a great exercise to help with stability for that. And then our last one is a bird dog. You're going to brace first your core, and so what I want you to do initially is actually go into extension and then go into flexion. Find your midpoint of those 2 movements. So we want to keep the spine in a neutral position. This is really crucial. And this is crucial for all the exercises that we've done so far. So once you've got that position, you're going to extend your right arm and left leg, maintaining that neutral spine. Really squeeze and hold for 10 seconds. Then you're going to slowly flex your hip, bringing your knee and your hand towards each other. Importance here is that we are not flexing the spine, we're keeping it in neutral as we flex the extremities. Then extend back into that position and hold for another 10 seconds. So the biggest mistake with this one is seeing too much flexion and extension of the spine. So really make sure that you keep that stable as you do the opposite reach, and then going back out to extension. Once you've done the 6 sets of 10 seconds hold, switch and do the opposite side. If you're finding this exercise a bit too challenging, we can actually move it down to just using the lower extremity. So you're gonna keep your hands stable on the floor, then extend one leg out, squeezing the glute as you extend and really reaching that leg towards the back wall. Importance here is make sure that you're not extending through that spine as you extend the leg out. It's just lifting the leg slightly off the floor, squeeze the glute, and maintain for that 10-second hold. Then you can switch after you've done these 6 sets of 10 seconds hold and do the opposite side. So these 3 core stability exercises should be done daily. It should only take you about 10 minutes to go through them, and I can guarantee that you will notice more power in your movements, better functional movement when you are doing your strength exercises. So as you can see, these are 3 really important exercises to incorporate in your daily activities. Even if you're not going to the gym specifically, you can do these ones just at home. And trust me, these are so important in your daily routine. If you want to reduce the risk of back pain, any lower extremity pain, our core is our center of gravity, and if we do not have good core stability that's supporting our spine, then we're at higher risk for injury. And nobody really wants to get injured, right? So the key thing here is we want to maintain our active lifestyle and do that without any pain. So I hope these exercises were helpful today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like, comment below and let me know what you thought. If there's any other videos that you'd like me to cover in the coming weeks, please comment below and let me know. Alright guys, thanks again for watching this video today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe if you're not already, and hit that bell to get notified when I post weekly videos. Until next week, bye guys. Oh my god, I'm probably gonna be so rusty. It's been a couple months. When I refer to core, I don't mean just like the six packs abs. I don't. Okay.